what made you be like, okay, I'm gonna actually take action and go with them after you've been screwed over many times by people, you know?
I mean, it was really just another stab in the dark, you know. It was just my intuition that took control. I thought, from what you were saying on the podcast and your videos, I thought you had a lot more. I thought I could learn a lot more from you. You have a lot of knowledge. I felt, and so I took the step and got into the mentorship, and I'm glad I did. Nobody really knows how to play the credit game, because it's not taught. So it really it took an organic swing for me to I want to say, I'm turning it into a mentorship for aftermarket. People want to get into aftermarket cars, really. So basically A to Z. I'll teach you how to do the installs and also teach you the business side of everything to help your business grow. I mean, it can always get better, make it easier, whatever. But from the talks with you're already on top of that. You're already whenever I asked you about something, it seemed like you were already a step ahead of me, and either doing that or getting things in place to do those things, adding onto the videos, making it easier step by step. Yeah, I mean you're already on that.
I saw you once before,
Okay.
maybe one video here and there. Then once I got back to your channel, honestly, I locked in pretty fast. I saw what you're offering. I was going through your digital products, and I knew there was some type of sauce that I needed and I was missing. So as soon as I got into the digital products, I tapped in with you within a couple hours. And I'm just going to speak from experience.
Okay.
Because Michael is a stepping stone into what you want to get to. But if you're not doing the small steps, you're not taking care of yourself, you're not going to the gym, you're not eating right, you're not thanking God for every moment that you have alive, then you're not gonna connect with Michael. Michael's vibrating at such a high level, and you're not gonna be able to handle that energy from Michael. Join the mentorship. You need a high income skill.
Yeah.
Honestly, I want to see more people in Michael's mentorship that are ready to get going.
Yeah.
I need you around us. We need you, honestly. If you're vibrating at this same level and you want to start making money, if you want to escape the matrix, you need to join Michael's mentorship. You need to find these people,
So do you think I scammed you? Because I see some people, sometimes they talk about scam,
Oh, definitely. Michael definitely scammed me. He took me from this for my business. I got the opportunity to invest $2,500, and then I just made my first 10K month. I think that's a scam, bro. You're helping too many people. You're talking your stuff, but on real notes, no, Michael does not scam. Michael is present. I'll ask Michael's he answers the questions. There's some people, Michael does not do this, but there are some people out there with any industry, any course where you'll pay for something and you don't hear back from them at all. I've been through this before. You don't hear back from them. They don't really tell you how to do something. Those are scams, but the main reason was because I really wanted to learn the process, and I truly care about people. When you look at Michael, when you look at other people that are in any industry, right? These people they know a lot more information. They're way more experienced. So for me, I didn't really know the process, and I had to just really feel my intuition of what I felt was really holding me back, and that was just knowing my product. So now I know my products.
I scammed you. I made the money back already. I'm making more. You know what I'm saying? You over delivered with the materials you get in this mentorship, bro. You changing lives, and you helping me change other people's lives. So
I'm working on a new training for y'all in the mentorship. Well, this is gonna be on YouTube too. I'm working on a new training for y'all in the mentorship as far as the appointment setting. Probably just gonna put some screenshots of booked calls that we did, just so y'all can test that out as well.
you losing a lot of money if you're not running that. I'm gonna be honest. So when I first started out, I was relying on people out here in my city in Chicago trying to just get people, family, friends, or post on my Instagram, maybe somebody to catch me. It's you put everything in there for us to be successful. And anything you need, you could go on that drive and you can figure it out just from going that drive. You got all the answers right there.
The thing I like about Michael's mentorship is that, you know, he provides all the letters. You know, you provide all the letters. You provide like how to do the round 1, round 2, round 3, how to properly fill out the FTC report. I was telling him, I'm like, look, bro, I'm like, you can go this route, the credit builder route. You can add like those little sorry ass credit builders, which they do work, don't get me wrong. Or I can show you how to like properly structure your credit report by using like secured loans, secured credit cards. Like, don't get me wrong, the back end is really good. You need to have that in place. People focus too much on the back end instead of the front end, you know, because if your front end is not there, you're not going to be bringing any clients in. You're not going to be bringing any money in, you know. Like,
what made me invest in the mentorship is you always have to grow, you know, like there's never a stop. You know, people think like, okay, I got all the tools, I got all the necessary stuff to grow, I got all this, I'm done, this is it. No, it doesn't stop there, because there's always somebody ahead of you. From time to time, if somebody's really struggling out there, let me know. I would help them for absolutely free. You know, because some of these people, if you invest in them and they actually put in the work ethic and the work, they really become somebody really big. I just highly recommend, you know, for all the viewers out there, you know, push yourself, get uncomfortable. That's the only, and go fail many times, because the more you fail, the more you're gonna move forward in life.
I got interested in this because really the first time I connected with Michael, I can just tell that he was pure and genuine, and his social proof was there for sure. And the fact that I wanted to improve my deletion system, and I also get to learn that how to go through litigation. So when I first joined in the mentorship, this is like, okay, like he talks about, you want to take this step by step. So when I first came to the mentorship, like my first goal was to just, okay, what is the actual like deletion process? I'm going to be confident no matter what I do, but without the mentor, like, what should I say? You're going to prolong your success with anything that you do. Whereas like if you get a mentor, you're going to basically, a mentor is somebody that already has been through what you want and is going to basically cut your time in half to get your desired result. So for me, learning from Michael's mentorship, I had the confidence in the mindset of knowing that I can do this and I can provide this to my clients. And since I successfully did it, it's like, okay, now I know what's going on. What stood out to me was like, it's not just about like it's more than just make the money. You're actually showing us. And I've been in mentorships, and I've invested in other courses where they will show you that they can like, you're gonna make the money, but it's like the material inside of it is like, it's not good. And it's like, it's just basic. Michael really goes into depth of showing you exactly like what to do. And another thing I like about it too is he gives you room to like think. I'm on here for a second time because Michael's stuff works. It's like if you've already watched me already from the first one and you're watching again, it's just like this should be enough proof for you to just go ahead and hop into the mentorship. Like there's social proof, people are getting receipts, and like I said earlier, it's just like it kind of hurts me knowing that you're on the fence and you're just watching us win.